Hi guys, here is Belsee. Today I will introduce head unit for Kia Sorento 2013 to 2014 year. Okay, there is box. A special for Kia Sorento. Let me open the box. Okay, you can check the head unit. Okay, let me check. This is special harness. Special harness for Kia Sorento. Original this is USB cable. Okay, this connector. Okay, and this cable for Kia Sorento. Two canvas box. This is MP amplifier. This is SPDRF amplifier. Okay. And it comes with GPS antenna, remote controller, camera cable. This AUX cable, audio cable, radio, external microphone. Okay, USB cable. Two USB cable, and this USB cable for front. Okay, this is head unit. Okay. Okay, let me open it. This is drive agent. Please take off this two screw. Take out before installing. Okay, it have DVD player. DVD slot. Okay, let me check the side. Back. Wi-Fi antenna, radio, GPS, power. Oh wait, okay, let me start the power on head unit. Connect harness. Please take out this screw protector before using head unit. Okay. Let me check this Octa very fast speed. And you can install wallpaper. Click back button. This wallpaper. Back the home. And it's built in Google Play Store, Google Maps. And we check the settings. You can check model is PX5 Octa. Android is 8.0 Oreo. Okay. You can change this button color on car settings. With green, blue, orange, yellow, or other any colors on this panel. Okay, thank you.